What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair to look so nice using this U-part wig that was sent to me by True Glory Hair. And y'all, when I tell you this hair is bomb, like, y'all will not believe how bomb this hair is. True Glory Hair has super affordable, super high quality hair that anybody can get, and I'm so happy that they went ahead and sent me this U-part wig for me to install for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I did install this wig, and without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is blowing out my hair. So I'm going to separate my hair into two big sections and blow it out almost to how I would blow it out if I were to straighten it. I will be straightening my leave out, but for the braids I don't really need my hair to be bone straight. So I'm going to go ahead and take my diamond brush and my blow dryer. I'm going to blow that out really nicely, and as you can see, I can run my fingers through my hair. I feel like when it comes to braiding my hair, I need it to be fingerable. Oh no, I don't like that. I need to be able to run my fingers through my hair. So now I'm going to be parting my hair where I want my parting to be when the wig is installed. And I'm also going to be parting out the hair that I want to be my leave out. So as you can see, I'm pulling out my leave out, and then I'm going to be putting that section away. Then I'm also going to be doing the other side of my leave out that's going to have to hang over the tracks on my left side. And then I'm also going to be putting that away. I'm taking out my edges. You don't really have to do this part, but personally I like taking out my edges around the left and right side of my hairline, just because I feel like it makes everything look a bit more natural. So now I'm going to be braiding my hair, and I'm going to be braiding my hair kind of in a beehive fashion, but instead of braiding it up and down, I'm just kind of going to braid it to the end and then intertwine the first braid with the second braid, as you can see here. I hope that's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to be taking a crochet needle and threading that through my braids, just so my braids can be put away, and it should look something like this. You know, I wish I had less hair so it would be a little bit flatter, but I can't really control that. Now I'm going to be installing the wig, and as you can see, they have these clips that secure it down, and then the strap that makes it smaller if you have a small head like me. So I'm going to be taking the clips and I'm going to put that above my braid and just securing it around my leave out. And once I've finished securing that around my leave out, it's time to straighten my leave out. So I'm going to be using this straightening mist. This isn't my favorite thing to straighten with, but this is all I had in my house at the moment, so this is what I'm going to be using. I don't think you guys need a tutorial on how to flat iron hair, but go ahead and flat iron your leave out. And as you can see, my hair is light brown, so it's not blending with the wig, but if my hair was still black, it would blend very well. I might dye my hair, I'm not sure yet, but you see, I'm going to blend it so it'll look better by curling it. And I'm going to be curling away from my face using my flat iron. And this hair, y'all, this hair curls so nicely. I've never had hair curl this nicely ever. So I'm also going to be using my hot comb to straighten out my edges. Then I'm going to be using my favorite edge control to lay my edges and just give the whole look a more sleek appeal. I did my little sideburn, you know, I love my little sideburn, you know what I'm saying? But this hair turned out so nicely once I blended it. I really wish my hair was black so you could see the full effect of how nice this hair blended with my hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I will see you in the next one.